Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. ALMA Observatory Cyber Attack shutting down observatories now. Come on, man. We just need to look at space. Once again, quick article. Let's check it out. Everything's open to cyber attack. The ALMA Observatory shut down operations due to cyber attacks. So there's the observatory checking out the space. The Ultima Large Millimeter Array Observatory in Chile was suspended all astronomical observation operations, taking its public website offline following a cyber attack on Saturday, October 29th, 2022. Email service at the observatory are currently limited. IT specialists are working towards restoring the affected systems. The information informed public about the security incident on Twitter yesterday, saying that at this time, given the nature of the episode, it is possible to estimate a date of return to normal operations. They can't even guess when they're going to get it back up. So there's the Twitter message. ALMA Observatory services affected by the cyber attack last Saturday, October 29th at 6:14 a.m. The ALMA Observatory in Chile suffered a cyber attack on its computer system, forcing the suspension of astronomical observation and public websites. The observatory also clarified that the attack did not compromise the ALMA antenna or any scientific data, indicating that there are no signs of unauthorized data access or exfiltration. Has contacted the observatory in an attempt to learn more about the security incident, and a spokesperson shared the following comment. We cannot further discuss the details as there is an ongoing investigation. Our IT teams are prepared to face the situation and the proper infrastructure. Although there is no flawless defense against hackers, we're still working hard on full recovery of the services. Thank you for your understanding, meaning we don't know, we're working on it. The observatory is comprised of 66 high precision radio telescopes of 12 meters diagram arranged in two arrays, located at an elevation of 5,000 meters or 16,400 feet at the plateau. The project cost $1.4 billion, making it the world's most expensive ground telescope. It was developed thanks to a multinational effort involving the United States, Europe, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and Chile. Since 2013, when ALMA entered normal operation status, it has aided in pioneering comet planetary information studies, participated in the Event Horizon project to photograph a black hole for the first time in history, and detected a biometric photon in the atmosphere of Venus. The observatory is used by scientists of the National Science Foundation, the European Southern Observatory, the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, and other groups from around the world. So anyhow, this operation impacts multiple science teams and ongoing projects. Once again, the ALMA Observatory is down because of cyber attacks. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe. Nothing safe.